Today we're going to make a quick video how to remove the driver's side headlight from a 2012 Chevy Silverado. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. This truck is lifted, so I need to climb up here. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove this cowl from here. So you might need a trim tool removal to get these buttons out of here. So let's go ahead and do that. Just go ahead and pop it loose and let's get it out of there. Sometimes getting it out is the best way to do it, but that's indication that's already broken. Still works though. Let's just go ahead and put this to the side and continue doing to the rest of them. Alright, we're going to go ahead and pick this up and move it out of the way. Now we're going to loosen up this grill using what appears to be a 10 mil. Yep, perfect. And we have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go ahead and remove these and then put them to the side. Alright, for this next step you might need to use some needle nose. What we're going to do is you can see all those retainer clips down in here. So what we're simply going to do is pinch them and pull the grill off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to all of these. That one, I believe there's some back in here. I'll see right now, but there's some here, there, up there, and there might be another one somewhere. So let me go ahead and loosen those out and get it out. Alright, so I got all of them out, and be aware that there are 2 hooks right here latching on over to this side. And then once you have that, just go ahead and pull that straight out. Let's see. So there's another one here in the corner, and that one, it's already broken. So you have a total of 1. Make sure there's not one up here. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So once you got that out, we're going to use a 10 mil to get these out. This is already broken. I could pull the whole assembly out. There's also another 10 in here, but in order to do that, we're going to have to remove this. So I'll continue with that process. Okay, so let's pretend this is still intact. So we're going to loosen these up and just put these in a nice safe location. It's loose on top. Alright, so inside the wheel well, we have a 10 mil here. I'm not too sure if that's stock or not, but we have a retainer clip. So let's go ahead and remove that retainer clip and remove this screw from there. Alright, once you remove these screws and that retainer clip, go ahead and try to move this to the side. What we could do is move the tire, turn the wheel outwards. Okay, now that gives us a lot of more room. Now we could push that to the side, holds it open for us. Now we should be able to reach right in here and grab that 10. So let's go ahead, grab your socket and work that bad boy out. Oh, you might need a speed ratchet, so I don't think you'll be able to reach it from here, but with a wrench for sure. Let me see, yeah, because this is going to be a tight fit. Man, 10 is always missing. That's the problem when you have other people grab tools. That's why we don't have a long socket, we have a short socket. Guess we'll go old school. Grab a 10. Okay, it seems like once you have that loose, should come right off. Looks like maybe there is locking little pins here and there, but that is also broken. I'm saying I think it'll come off because it looks like it has an exit. It's not like this one. What do you know? It is an exit. So you don't need to take that screw off. You just need to loosen it up. And loosen this one up. Just need to take that one off. Then just work out the headlight and be careful because of this fender here. It's probably why this is cracked. And what it seems like it is caught right here on that little piece. So maybe if you just pry it like so, there it is. Now we're just gonna disconnect this pigtail. There it is. Get the pigtail out of the way. Out comes the light. sweet, kind of hard task. But you're gonna have to drop the bumper. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.